Today, we're talking about something that could completely change how we connect with science in our daily lives. Imagine you're scrolling through your local news site and you see a story about air pollution in your neighborhood. But this isn't just another scary headline. It shows data collected by your neighbors using air quality sensors, explains the science, and even connects you directly with researchers looking for solutions. That's civic science media, and it's completely changing how communities engage with science and journalism. Civic science media happens at this intersection where journalists and storytellers work intentionally with community members and scientists to address issues that really matter and directly impact the communities that these institutions are supposed to serve. But why is this so important right now? Well, science is advancing rapidly. From climate change to artificial intelligence to public health, scientific issues are directly impacting our lives, maybe now more than ever. And concurrently, trust in science is rapidly declining, and many communities feel more disconnected from scientific institutions than ever. Civic science media is supposed to bridge that gap. It's not just about explaining science, it's about creating a multi-directional conversation where communities have a voice in scientific exploration. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. In Detroit, there was a project called Exhausted in Detroit, and it helped residents measure air quality in predominantly Black neighborhoods. Journalists worked with scientists and community members to install air monitors, report findings, and even build DIY air filters. This collaboration helped lead to a proposed dust ordinance, giving residents more protection. And there was another great project in Puerto Rico, where community leaders collaborated with scientists to address local health needs and combat COVID misinformation. They published their learnings in a digital book called Science in Solidarity, so other communities could benefit from their findings too. What makes these projects different from regular science journalism is really three key things, and they're pretty simple. The first key is that communities aren't treated as just audiences. They're active participants helping shape the questions and solutions. The second key is that scientists aren't just sources. They're partners, and they work directly with communities and media makers. And the third key is that media makers aren't just reporters. They're connectors, building relationships between science and society and transmitting equitable and actionable information. The potential is huge. Imagine if every community had ways to connect their lived experiences with scientific exploration. You could see more equitable science, better solutions to local problems, and stronger trust between communities and scientists. So, what can you do? Well, if you're a journalist or science communicator looking to start your own civic science media project, I have some really exciting news. The Center for Cooperative Media's 2025 Civic Science Media Collaborations Program is opening June 2nd on the center's website. In partnership with the Rita Allen Foundation, this program supports innovative collaborations between media organizations and civic science partners. For more information, head to the centerforcooperativemedia.org. Really looking forward to seeing what you come up with.